Here's a quick step-by-step guide on end-of-day maintenance for your Easy Jet Pro 36 DTF shaker. First, select the Cut button on your DTF printer to cut the film. Then, on the shaker, select the Link button. The Link button is used at the end of a job and will continue to feed the film through the shaker. The film will now feed all the way through the shaker. If you're using the take-up reel will roll the remaining film. On the control panel, select Manual and deselect Heat. Turn off the main power. You can also turn off your DTF printer. Tape the film and remove the take-up reel from the shaker. Then remove the metal plates that keep the core in place and remove the core from the take-up reel. Place the take-up reel back on the shaker. Lift up the top heat chamber to clean any excess powder and oil. Take a piece of paper towel and wipe down the sides, back, and top of the heater. Here, you will see oil residue. The excess oil is sucked through the side of the heater and down the shaker to the air filtration system. Use a paper towel to wipe any excess oil. Close the top heat chamber. At the bottom of the shaker, there is a tube that collects excess oil. Once a week, place a tray under the tube and release the valve to collect the oil. And that's it. A few simple steps at the end of each day will help keep your Easy Jet Pro 36 DTF shaker running at its best. Reach out to Equipment Zone to learn more.